Welcome to Stig and Arne's bucket list. Now we are in Ålesund.
It's one of the most beautiful Norwegian coastal cities, and this whole city burned down 125 years ago.
Okay.
And it was rebuilt in the Art Deco, Art Nouveau style, partly paid for by the Emperor Wilhelm of Germany. It's a beautiful architectural gem.
Yeah. And we were very lucky with the weather today.
It's always nice weather in Norway on the coast when you're going to fill up your bucket list.
Exactly.
And here, so much to do, nice places to stay. We are in Parken Hotel now, which is a very fine traditional hotel. They have a hotel down the street here, 1904, which has been
a
boutique hotel, been newly refurbished. But how about eating and drinking, Stig?
No, there is this nice restaurant we always go to, Bro.
Bro is wonderful. It's the town of the salted codfish, klippfisk.
Ah.
So many good places to eat, and for a little appetizer or an after-dinner experience.
Then we have our favorite wine bar here in town, Vino.
Yeah, it's actually our favorite wine bar in all of Norway.
Yeah, one of them.
One of them. And we are going there tonight.
We are.
Yeah.
Do you think they have some white burgundies there?
I hope they have, and Ålesund should be on your bucket list. So, Stig?
Be open-minded and curious.
Happy travels!